Hey, how you doing? This is Andreas. This is the video of the avalanche I promised you. As you can see, the vehicle is here. I did test drive the four-wheel drive. It does work. Here it is. 2005 Avalanche. It is in good condition for the year of the vehicle. If you got any other questions, please let me know. My name is Andreas here at Arlington Toyota. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the avalanche on for you. That way you can see that the vehicle does run. It has nothing in the dashboard, no lights. There it is. As you can see, clear dashboard. There is your four-wheel drive. Again, it's Andreas here from Arlington Toyota. Thank you.